some common issues in GTM. So lots of people face some common issue in Google Tag Manager. Some common issues are, first is make sure you are in right account and container. If you will go to your Google Tag Manager account, make sure that all the accounts in your Google Tag Manager, make sure that you go to right account and in right container inside account. So for example, this is the container I have chosen. Okay, so make sure that wherever you want to work, so first make sure that I'm in right account or in right container or not. Second thing, double check the GTM ID connected to website. As you all know, I have told you different methods to connect your website with Google Tag Manager. So make sure that you put the right GTM code of container or not. So every container have different codes. So make sure that you put right container to right website. Make sure you publish the container. As you all know, when we do lots of tags and triggers work and when we try to preview it, so most of the user forget to submit. So please make sure this thing in mind that whenever you do all the tags and triggers and preview, make sure that you submit it. Refresh browser website where you are testing. So for example, as you all know, for example, I just click on preview and this is my website. Okay, so for example, I go to my website, that is academy.beingcommerce.in. So right now you can see I'm in debug mode. So here, for example, if you have thought to check any of your tags and triggers, so you have just use preview mode. But make sure that when you use preview mode, so where, for example, you have made changes in some of your tags. So make sure that you also refresh your debug mode. Okay, so this is what I'm trying to say here, refresh browser website where you are testing. And fifth thing is have patience, Google Analytics will show reports. If you want to use Google Analytics with Google Tag Manager. So lots of people, what they face problem here is they think that their data is not showing in Google Analytics. So do not get worried friends. It takes some time, 2 to 3 days, maximum 1 week, but it will going to show your reports. So you do not need to get worried. So these are the some common issues which people usually face in Google Tag Manager. So I have told you about these issues. Okay, now friends, we have almost done each and everything and I have taught you lots of different ways of tags and triggers. What is tag, what is triggers, what is variable, what is folders, and what are templates. So templates means here all your templates will going to show which you have used of community. So as you all know that when we were making our tag for our Facebook, so at that time we are not getting one code of Facebook pixel. So if you will see Facebook, you will not get, okay, this is custom, but we have used the help of community gallery. So from here we have used the gallery. Okay, so these are all the galleries you will going to get of different companies. So all these things you can use, so that will show inside this template. Okay, so this thing keep in mind. Now comes version. Now what is version? So version means it will just going to show you some versions. You can just, for example, delete it, you can publish it from here, you can export this version. So version, for example, mobile have different versions. So for that also, here in containers in Google Tag Manager we have versions of everything. So you can just publish it from here, you can share it, you can preview it, you can delete it, you can edit it. So there are lots of versions. Okay, then comes the admin panel. So inside admin panel you can see here you have account, you can create more accounts. So right now I'm in Bing Commerce, inside Bing Commerce account, and inside Bing Commerce account I can create different containers. So you can also create one more account, and as I've said you in starting of videos, that account means your firm name, your business name. Okay, so for every business you can create one separate account. So for example, if I want to create more account, I will click here, I will write my business name, and I will set that account over here. Account activity, all your account activity will going to show up here. User management, from here you can delete it. For example, I want to delete this account, I can simply click here and I can click on remove. So this account will be get removed. Okay, and you can download this account in form of CSV. You can ask for any help from Google team. Similarly, as I have said you that inside accounts we can create unlimited containers. So from here, if you will click on this plus button, you can create more containers. Okay, and same container activity, all the container activity will going to show up here like this. You can see when I will click here, so all these activities will going to show up here. Then user management, from here you can delete the container, you can click here and you can remove it. Okay, so these are all the things. And from here also you will see install Google Tag Manager. If you will click here, so from here also you can get the code and you can simply install that code, and you can import the container. For example, you have some other GTM platform. So from here, from there you have one account, and inside one account you have container. So for example, if you have some container, if you want to actually import that container over here, so you can just import that container here. Okay, you just have to choose the container, and you can just select the container and you can install that container. So all that container is going to show up in your new container. You can also export the container. So for example, if you will see here, you can even export each and everything. External accounts links will going to show up here. Okay, so these are some non-purpose things which you do not require right now. So all your containers notification will going to show up here. Okay, so if you want to get notifications, you can do that, but these are some optional things. But most of the things we have almost covered. We have given you live examples. We have told you about different things. Google Tag Manager, what is Google Tag Manager, what is tag, how you can connect it, what is the benefit of Google Tag Managers, Google Tag Manager structures, how Google Tag Manager is structured, okay, and how you can connect the Google Tag Manager, what is tag in GTM, and we have explained you everything in a very easy and simple way. Okay, so we have given you lots of examples, and in these examples only, and in these methods only, we have teach you from starting to end so that you do not get confused. Okay, we have learned what is triggers, we have learned different things, Chrome extensions we have installed, we have told you how to connect your GTM tags and everything. Okay, so most of the things, friends, we have completed each and everything. We have told you in a very easy language. We have also told you about some common advanced tricks like tracking your Facebook, Google Analytics, which will going to help you. We have told you about data layers, how you can track traffic based on browsers. Okay, so these are some advanced topics also which we have covered. If someone will copy from your website, what are the things they have copied, you can also come to know about these things. So these are the some little things which we have taught you inside this course. Okay, so hope you guys have learned lots of things inside this course. Okay, so this was the total course, guys, and as I have told you, you have lots of different courses of mine which you can take if you want to make shop website, blog website, online course website. I have provided the link in down in bonus lesson. You can take those courses as well. You can take Quora Ads course, or Quora Ads or Quora Marketing are same. Okay, so I have provided you one link at down of my Quora Marketing course. From there you can take it. You can take Google Analytics course, you can take Google Ads course, you can take Facebook Ads course. So all the links I have provided you in Google Ads in the bonus lecture. Okay, so from there you can take that courses and learn that. Okay, most of the things will going to help you because Google's every platform is somehow interlinked with each other. Okay, so we will going to create more Google Codex course like Google Data Studio, Google Search Console course. Okay, so in upcoming course I will going to cover these topics. So for now, friends, about Google Tag Manager we have finally completed each and everything. So hope you guys have enjoyed this course. Thank you, and please review the course, and I will highly appreciate you will if you will going to review 5 stars, and if you have any doubt, just comment me. I will going to reply you. Thank you.